Hi, this is lesson number 45 from our Photoshop training series. In this exercise, I am going to teach you two beautiful techniques to brighten the teeth and face in Photoshop. Especially if you are a beginner, these are the quick, short and easy methods to improve your image in less time. So let's get started. First, we are going to work with this image. If I will open the layer palette, here is the thumb. We need to make selection around the teeth. So I am going to choose object selection tool, the first one, and here I choose lasso. In your case it might be rectangle, so you can change it to lasso. This is the selection mode, and simply click and drag this way just around the teeth, and Photoshop will detect automatically the area. But in this area here we have some additional parts, so we can subtract. Press Alt key and simply click and drag this way. So far we have a selection. In the layer palette at the bottom here, click on create new fill or adjustment layer and go to hue saturation. At the bottom we have hue, saturation, lightness. For now we are not going to do anything here. The first thing, we will choose the color. So click on this drop down from master to yellow color, because we want to remove a yellow color. So the yellow is selected. Reduce the saturation just this way and you can see the changes. If you want, you can make it a little bit bright. And that's all. Let's see the difference. Go back to the layer palette. This is before and this is now. So this is really quick, easy and a seamless method to brighten the teeth. Let's work with the other image. In this image we are going to brighten the face. So the regular way is we can just go to the image, adjustment, level or curve command. This way we can brighten up. But if we will do this way, it will affect the environment around. Cancel it. We need to focus only the face area. So the first thing we need to do is to add the adjustment layer. Click here, create new fill or adjustment layer and choose solid color. We are going to select the white. Click OK. Here new adjustment layer is added with a solid color. Now the first thing we need to do is to invert the mask. So click on the mask is selected, press Ctrl I, press Ctrl I. Now the mask is inverted. Second step is to change the blend mode. So click on the blend mode drop down and choose soft light. Now you can't see anything because our mask is inverted. To customize the area, we need to choose the brush tool. Make sure that your brush is really soft, hardness is 0. You can increase the opacity around 40 and make sure that your foreground color is white. The mask thumb is selected. Just brush the face. You can press left and right square bracket next to the letter P to reduce and increase the brush size. Before and now. This is how we brighten up the face without affecting the environment around. Little bit saturation we can add. Once again click on create new fill or adjustment layer and choose hue saturation. Double click. Actually it is behind layers. So here we have. In your case, if you cannot see, you can just click on the properties. Simply increase the saturation and that's all. Now let's go back to the layer palette and observe the changes. Turn off the saturation. This is the original and here is the brightness. So this is how, without affecting the background and other part of the image, we brighten the face. We use solid color and hue saturation. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload new video. Thank you.